I've been here, sitting down next to you. Did everything you want me to. You're looking at me straight through. And what's the deal? You saw me more after we met. You told me that you wanted something from me, something more out there. And with our clothes out, we turn out interstellar, a different kind of company. And baby, I talked to you all through December. Your warm rooms, swimming pools, and something I can never hold. We could be late nights, lip bites, call lights, huddling against the cold. But for the moment, we just caught up intertwined. I wanna see you from a new point of view. I guess for now we can make do. I was sitting in the front of my butt out Corsa. Somebody started holding my hand. She's got a nose ring and a hairpin, the type of girl who likes a boy in a band. And he's the type of guy who would try and fight. Looks just like me and he's only 5. She cried to me about his broken psyche. Her friends are free about the things we might be. I wish you'd tell me what the fuss is about. I wanna feel you close to me. And baby, I could be the one you waste your time on. Your warm rooms, swimming pools, and something I can never hold. We could be late nights, lip bites, car lights, huddling against the cold. But for the moment, we just caught up intertwined. I wanna see you from a new point of view. I guess for now we can make do. Went to sleep, our girl up in the front seat, so discreet, got me feeling concrete. In my heart, drop you off in your street, no call lights, baby. You went to sleep, our girl up in the front seat, so discreet, got me feeling concrete. In my heart, drop you off in your street, no